Hi, once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. In this video, we'll be taking a look at a robot vacuum from Narwal, the Freo X Plus. If you're in the market for a robot vacuum that won't break the bank, comes with a ton of features, and you don't have to babysit it, then the Freo X Plus should be under your radar. What's up guys, it's Mike from Take My Money. And today, we're unboxing a robot vacuum that has been creating a lot of buzz lately. The Narwal Freo X Plus. Narwal is known for its innovative approach to robot vacuums, and this one's no exception. So let's dive in. As for first impressions, the packaging is clean and minimal. It has a premium feel, and the robot vacuum itself looks sleek. The design is modern and understated, with a white finish that should blend well with any decor. But let's get to the good stuff. What's under the hood? Out of the box, you get the Freo X Plus itself, a base station, a mopping module, extra mop pads, dust bags, and of course, a power cable. The design is simple but functional, which is exactly what you want from a robot vacuum. One special thing about Narwal robot vacuums are the inclusions of two side brushes, which helps with vacuuming. The Freo X Plus features a suction power of 7800 PA, which is impressive for a robot vacuum. That means it should be able to tackle even the most stubborn dirt and debris. It's not just about raw power. Narwal has included a zero tangling floating brush that's designed to prevent hair and other fibers from getting tangled up. I've used the Freo X Plus for a couple of months now, and I don't really have to babysit it or spend time detangling the brush. This isn't just a vacuum, it's also a mop. The mopping module magnetically snaps on easily. It also has the ability to lift up when vacuuming your rug and carpet. With enhanced 150% mopping performance, the mopping module, which is magnetically attached, applies downward pressure equivalent to a weight of 1.44 pounds to help tackle stubborn stains. One of the things that sets Narwal apart is the dust emptying solution. The base station self-empties and stores debris after cleanup for up to 7 weeks of hand-free convenience. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in the overall user experience. Let's not forget that Narwal also packed this robot with some serious tech. It uses a tri-laser LiDAR system for navigation, which is supposed to be more accurate and reliable than traditional navigation methods. It also has obstacle avoidance, so it shouldn't get stuck under your furniture or bump into little things. As for the Freo Advise app, this is the control center for the vacuum. You can set schedules, start cleaning cycles, and even create maps of your home. The app is well designed and easy to use, which is always a plus. Overall, the Narwal Freo X Plus is a pretty impressive robot vacuum. It has a powerful suction, mopping capabilities, an innovative dust emptying solution, advanced navigation, and a user-friendly app. But of course, the real test will be how it performs in the real world. I've had the opportunity to use the Freo X Plus for a couple of weeks now, and I could tell you for a fact that its mopping feature and vacuum, it's outstanding. I prefer it to my other robot vacuums because it's also quieter and goes straight to the job. Once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. This is our review for the Narwal Freo X Plus.